Hey guys, it's Darren from KIFFIX. Today I'd like to show you how to create a Biolink page from your KIFFIX dashboard. Beautiful one pages like this. This is our artist Jeremy Gomez. You can see it basically shows all of his music, his information. You have some photos, links to all of his music platforms, YouTube videos, etc., etc. There's another one for one of our artists, Ella DeMaio. You can have a look there. And this is for my record label, UFO Records. We have our music, pre-saves coming up, latest releases that are out. We've got some Spotify embeds. We've got our artist roster. YouTube videos are here. And we can even sell merchandise and link to other platforms as well. So basically from the KIFFIX My Profile, your dashboard, you go to Biolinks. And then you can create a new Biolink page. This is where you customize the actual link. So generally the guys are putting in their artist names. So I'll just put an artist name, create Biolink page. And then you will notice a mobile preview on the right hand side. So any edits you do, you'll be able to see them in real time. You basically have two sections, settings and blocks. Settings is your customizations. You are obviously able to change the background colors to match your branding. You can also upload image or video content as a background, which is really cool. You can also choose a font that you like best and the font sizing, as well as the width of the page and the block heights. So have a look at that. Some nice customizations to make sure that your page suits your brand. Now, on the blocks, this is where you actually enter the information. Sorry, for the sake of this, I'm just going to make the background color black, just so it's easier to see what we're doing. Just update it. That. Okay, then we want to add a block. So for example, you have a whole lot of options of the different blocks that you want to add onto the page. It's quite nice to go through all of these and see how it can actually benefit you. For example, the Spotify embeds, SoundCloud, YouTube, TikTok videos, Apple Music, you can kind of embed and insert various blocks onto your page to customize it. We're going to start off perhaps with an image. I've actually downloaded an image of just a random artist, which I will insert here. You can either crop it or continue without cropping and create block. And you'll see once that has uploaded, it'll then show on the page, and you can always click on the link here if you want to have a look at it on your web. Let's just make it a bit bigger. Okay. So going back to the link, let's add another block. Let's add in, for example, a paragraph. This is where you could, possibly add your biography. I've got a little mock-up bio here, which I'll copy and paste into this and save. You will then see the bio will actually appear on the right-hand side. And then let's embed a YouTube video, a Spotify track link. Also got a track link here. Let's copy that. Insert the link, create block, and you will see the Spotify track will then appear under there. And lastly, let's just add a YouTube video. So if you go to YouTube, I've got another link from YouTube. It's just basically the URL that you pull and insert and create block. And you will see it actually embeds the YouTube video right there. So if you click on that again, you have your image, basic bio, and then you can embed some of your music. So obviously all of these blocks come with different functionality. You can collect email addresses, insert video content, phone collector, frequently asked questions. You can do reviews, image sliders, so you can upload some images of yourself or your artist name. Yeah, basically go through all of them, have a look, and you could also have some really, really cool designs such as these. But yeah, let us know if you would like to sign up to KIFFIX. You can reach out to us on Instagram or drop us an email. All the information is on our Instagram profile. Thanks, guys. Cheers.